class. Okay, we proceed to the last topics or subtopic for this week. Okay, so this is about, okay, just now for the previous one we learned about the second shifting. Okay, second shifting to solve it. So now it's not properties, it's just something like when you get a question but there's no in term of unit step function, so you need to make it by your own self. Okay, maksudnya soalan tu akan bagi dalam bentuk piecewise function, so you need to translate or you need to transform it become unit step function. Okay, so the title for these topics or for this subtopic is writing FT in the form of unit step function. Okay, we want to write our FT in terms of unit step function. So the question will be given in terms of piecewise function. Okay, so this is what we call as piecewise function. So you have two value. If you still remember the definition I showed you just now in the previous video, you have two value, right? So that one is a piecewise function. So let's say the first one we like as f1, the second one we like as f2. So the limit is from 0 t until a. So a is a number lah, okay? And the second one is greater or equal to a. So the question asks you to form your FT in term of unit step function. Okay, in term of unit step function. So this is how we write. Okay, so we write f1 first and then plus f2 minus f1 times with ut minus a. Okay, you can see here they have f1, so it means that this is your f1 plus f2 minus f1, so f2 minus f1 and times with ut minus a, so it's depend on this number. Okay, so this is if you have two function. Okay, let's say if you have three function. Okay, I extend this function. Let's say you have a three function f3. Okay, this one is no longer t greater than a, it will be a between t between a and b. Okay, right? Okay, and then the last one is t is greater than b. Okay, ada tambahan lah, of course lah. Okay, so now how to write if you have three function here? So same thing, similar. f1 plus f2 minus f1 times ut minus a. Okay, ut minus a kan, ut minus a plus f3 minus f2. Okay, f3 minus f2 times ut minus b. ut minus b. Done. Okay, so if you have more than three function also you can do lah. Okay, you can do by yourself. Just refer to this 1 and 2 maybe, so you can do by yourself. Okay, right, so this is how we, so give you example. Okay, example, writing FT in the form of unit step function. Okay, alright, so let's say you have function like this. FT is equal to e negative t from 0 to 2 and 2t minus 1 t greater and equal to 2. Okay, so how to write? So FT equal to f1. What is your f1? This is your f1 plus what is your f2? 2t minus 1 minus f1. What is your f1 just now? E negative t times with ut minus 2. That's it. Okay, this question is just ask you to write. Okay, to write in term of. It doesn't ask you to solve yet. But if the question extend, solve it, so means that you need to solve it lah. Okay, so this one I just want to show you how to write in term of unit step function. Okay, now we go to the second one, how to solve it. Okay, actually how to solve it you already learned before. Okay, so now is an example on combination between these two lah. Okay, example 2. Given your ft is equal to t0 is from 0 to 3 and sorry, not 3 0, 3 2, and then it's 3 greater than equal to 3. Okay, right. Okay, this is the question. Write ft in terms of unit step function and determine the Laplace transform. Then you need to solve it, okay? Because they have extra word, extra question here, which is determine the Laplace transform. Okay, so we write first the ft first. So your ft will be t plus 2 minus t times ut minus 3. Okay, done for the first one. Okay, second one is you need to solve lah. Okay, you need to solve means what we do before. So Laplace transform inside here is the whole thing here, t plus 2t minus t ut minus 3. Okay, right? So you can split it, okay, by using linearity properties. You can split it. So the first one is Laplace transform for t, the second one is Laplace transform for 2 minus t ut minus 3. And of course, obviously, for this one, okay, I just write lah. You have two Laplace transform that you should solve it here. But obviously, the first one is not a unit step function, okay? This one is not unit step function. This is the basic one, okay? The basic that we have learned in the previous video, in the last week session, okay? So for the first one, the answer will be, okay, I just write here. The answer is 1 over x square. Okay, you can use table directly, you can get the answer. Okay, then for number 2, you have 2 minus t ut minus 3. Okay, now this is unit step function. Okay, this is unit step function, but can you see what's the what we call the crucial part here is your gt minus a is not equal with your t minus a. Your t minus a is t minus 3. So means that for this part, you need to follow this. Okay, you need to follow your unit step function. So we need to modify it. Okay, we need to modify. Okay, I write down here first. Okay, this is our question, our original one. We want to make it become t minus 3. Okay, we want to make it become t minus 3. So what we should do is, okay, this is my way. If you're comfortable with my way, you can follow. But if you have another way, you can follow yours. But make sure correct. Okay. Since I know that in front is must t, so I just change it. I just, rearrange back. So I put it negative t in front of it. Okay. So then what else? We can see that inside here is t, positive t. Okay, positive t. So I bring negative outside the bracket. So I left with t minus 2 inside here. Okay, then what else? I know our objective is to get t minus 3. So I just write t minus 3 first here. Okay, yang 2 ni you hold it first. Okay, but we know that our objective is to get this t minus 3. So now you are at t minus 3. Of course, you need to plus with 3. Okay, to make it the question will get back t, kan? Kan, betul tak? Okay, then what else? What else? What you should do next? What you should do next? Okay, so now, of course lah, you have, kalau, okay, if you open the bracket so on, you will get t minus 3 plus c means that you get t. Our original question is negative t plus 2. Plus 2. So, how to get back? How to get the value of it? Kalau you open the bracket, okay, they have negative t plus 3 minus 3. So, we are missing out of minus 2. Okay, so you add on lah plus. Okay, kalau you tak ni, you can calculate somewhere else. Okay, macam ni Let's say lah kalau betul you tak ni. So kita try buka. Okay, before that, I will simplify this one first. So it become negative t minus 3 plus 1. Okay, negative 3 minus 2 is 1, right? Okay, so now this is my final answer. So now I want to check back whether this one it give back my original question or not, because I already get t minus 3, I already get. Okay, so cuma I just want to reconfirm back whether my modification here it's back to our original question or not. This is our original question, okay? 2 minus t. Okay, so try to open the bracket. You have negative t plus 3 and minus minus 1 lah. Okay, betul. Macam ni. You need to do a bracket here, okay? Okay, put the bracket. Kalau you tak put the bracket, you maybe do a careless mistake later on. Okay, put the bracket. Okay, so open the bracket back. Negative t plus 3 minus 1. So you will get negative t plus 2. Whether this is the original question. Okay, so means that the modification here is correct. Okay, so like I said before, you can modify any, macam mana you nak buat pun tak kisah, as long as you get the pattern which is t minus 3, and at the same time you will at the same time you remain the meaning of the original question. Okay, how you want to do it is up to you. Okay, but this is my way. Okay, this is my step. I put it my objective, and then I rearrange, I modify, and so on. Okay, so from this one, from this equation, we will have this one equation. Negative t minus 3 plus 1 times with ut minus 3, of course lah. Okay, so you have t minus 3 here. Okay, so same thing like I showed before. This is A, this is B, this is C. So when you solve it, it will be t minus 3 times with ut minus 3. Okay, so you can close the bracket first and then plus with b times c. So you have ut minus 3. Okay, so this is the two first Roman and this is two second Roman. Okay, because it's from 2 just now, right? From 2 you dah already split become another two equation. So solve this one. So okay, I think I need to write another paper. Okay, so they have, okay, for two first Roman, the Laplace transform negative t minus 3 ut minus 3. Okay, so the first step is identify what is your A. Your A here is your A here is 3. What is your G? T minus 3 is it negative t minus 3. Okay, so step number 2, identify what is your GT. Your GT is negative t, and then the Laplace transform for negative t is equal to 1 or negative 1 over s square. And step number 3 is the final answer is e negative 3s over s square. Okay, e negative 3s times with this one, so it will be e negative 3s over s square negative. Okay, so for 2 Roman, it's just direct forward. You just using your table. Okay, you can use this table. So it will be, the answer will be 1 over s e negative 3s. Okay, this is the answer. So the final answer is, don't forget, you have 1 just now. Okay, so the answer for number 1 just now is 1. Okay, I just write down first, 1 plus 2. So 1 over s square plus or minus 3e negative s over s square, and then this one is plus, right? Okay, plus e negative 3s over s. So this is the final answer. Okay, class. Okay, so this is all about unit step function. Okay, so usually soalan memang suka bagi unit step function lah for your test. Sebab because it's a combination for all. Dia macam ada how to write in the form of unit step function and how to solve by using cycle shifting, right? So dia macam famous among the other topic lah. For at this moment, maksudnya kita tak masuk lagi tajuk lain, tapi for now this is the famous part, okay, in this chapter. Okay class, so yeah, so we will proceed the next topics. Okay, we are still in same chapter. Okay, next subtopic in the next video next week class. Okay, bye.